Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this tutorial I want to show you how you can save contacts to your Google Drive. For example, open the Google Drive and first I'll create a folder. In this folder I'm going to save my contacts from my phone contact book to this drive. So I'll do it as I'll name it as my backup contacts, whatever it may be. It's your choice. My Okay, now go to your phone contacts app here and choose the contacts what you want to save. For example, okay, this contact I want to save. So you need to click on these three dots here and click on share and select the contacts 1 2. Okay, total I selected 3. See here, 3 selected. Now I'm going to save these 3 contacts to my Google Drive. Okay, click on share here and you will find option called save to drive. Okay, click on save to drive and see here these 3 contacts are saving to the mail, which is this mail, and folder. Click on folder and just now we have created a folder now, my backup contacts. So click on that, select and click on save. Preparing 3 files for upload. So we need to open the drive again, drive app on my phone, and refresh this once and go for my backup contacts. See here. Okay, in this way easily we can share or save our contacts to the Google Drive. In the next coming video I'll show you how you can import or restore these contacts to the phone book again. For example, if you delete these contacts in your phone, or if you lost your phone, if you want to have these contacts on the new phone, I'll show you in that separate tutorial. I hope you like this and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.